Hey, this is Cool Trains in Montreal. Here I am in Outremont, and I got a train heading north. It looks like it might be the Quebec Gatineau railway train. Yep, it's a Quebec Gatineau train heading north. Three really cool orange locomotives. That's awesome. And they head under the bridge at the Universite de Montreal campus, which is, from a real fan's perspective, a really disappointing bridge because you cannot see the train from there. Short train. Oh, that's a really short one. .30 p.m. on June 2nd, 2022. If you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day.